It's always empowering to be recognized for your work when you're just tinkering away on your own aside. And to be recognized by your own alma mater is something that truly is a bit immortalizing, to bring back some of the old gushing memories, but whilst revitalizing what the new is. So I connected with a few friends that I knew during my college years, but it has also been really inspiring meeting some new people that have some interesting stories and, more importantly, achievements that you never knew before, because they were all hidden away doing their own thing, and then to bring them all in one stage, it's been really awesome and awe-inspiring.
I wasn't expecting to win, and particularly because it's quite an unusual thing that I've done, and there's just so many amazing winners here that you feel really in awe being around them. And so, yeah, to win for rowing an ocean, because to me it feels so normal, but I guess from the outside it is something special. So I don't come back to Cardiff that often. I live in Vancouver normally. Yeah, it's wonderful to come back and actually to be able to connect with Cardiff University again, because I've had such fond memories of being here that it's been, yeah, magical.
I loved every minute of it. I feel incredibly humbled by meeting all these people that are doing such incredible things at such a young age. I feel a little bit inadequate, if I'm honest, because I didn't know where I was going kind of career-wise, even at the age that many of these people are, and the fact that they've got such a purpose, not so much kind of a career trajectory, but a purpose and a sense of purpose, which I think is just so honourable and inspiring. And what I loved most about it was meeting people from all over the world, but across all the sectors. And for me, it's about that network opportunity to connect with these people that you get here in one room, and all that expertise and all that skill, but also that goodwill towards each other, which I think is amazing. And just a sense of things are changing, things are happening, and we have the power to bring about change for good, which I found was just wonderful to be part of.